What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your Chartist, and today is December, as you can see, December 17th, 2024, local time 8:57 p.m. I will be analyzing Fedex. I am on daily charts. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account right here, where I have been actively posting trades. So you can follow me here also for the latest updates. Uh, let's start the analysis. This is not a financial advice. This is what I feel, all right, and I will be discussing the price action here. People who are interested in learning, they can make a use out of this analysis, and definitely you will learn something. Okay, I am on daily chart, so whenever I try to analyze a chart or a stock or an instrument, what I do is I usually, not usually, I always go on yearly time frame and try to understand where actually price is moving from. So right now, currently, this is your supply zone right here, and it is I'm on yearly time frame. So this is yearly, and price is inside your yearly supply zone, which means that we cannot go long, right? Because it is inside your yearly supply zone. But understand, if when I go, okay, look here, yearly supply zone, price is inside yearly, but price is also reacting from yearly demand zone. Here also yearly demand zone, here also yearly demand zone. But right now price has hit yearly supply zone. Let's go down. I cannot understand anything here for now. I can understand something here, but for further clarification, let's go down on half yearly. I do see that there is nothing here of quality, but price is actually reacting now. If I conclude that price is reacting from yearly and half yearly demand zone, and there is another demand zone which has been formed, which is right here, all right, and now price is currently reacting from there, which is the very current scenario. This is all, like, this is how price works, right? But this is a very current scenario where price is reacting from a half yearly demand zone, and there is nothing at the top as per half yearly charts. And one more important thing is that when price, look on the right side, so price, let me turn on the drawings. Okay, I will explain everything. So this yellow box is your yearly supply zone right here, right? So now when I go on half yearly, let me clarify. So price has hit, this is the box for yearly supply zone. So price has hit yearly supply zone in this candle, but look at this candle. This is green, and after hitting the yearly supply zone, again the price is trying to go deeper. So that means that it is not recognizing this supply zone as a very powerful supply zone. Otherwise, there should have been some sort of selling, because we are looking at the yearly supply zone. We are looking at the yearly, we are trying to analyze the yearly supply zone, all right? So I will turn off the drawings just to reduce the noise, but understand, price has, this is the yearly supply zone here, so it hits and it comes down. But understand, look at the data here for this candle. So it made a high of 285, and then it closes at 253, almost $30 down, whatever, right? So you cannot just blindly trade. You need to understand and respect price. But people who are thinking that a bull pick has failed, bull picks don't fail like that. It is failing for people who don't know price action. What if I tell you I've bought it from very lower levels, then how can a bull pick fail? It doesn't bull pick. There's nothing like, bull pick has failed. No, it is like, if I've entered at lower levels here, I'm giving, trying to find new trades as well. That's it. So understand, this candle this candle has hit yearly supply zone, and if I go on half yearly, I do see that another demand zone is formed. Okay, now at the top there is some, if you try to I'm going to hide the drawings now. If you understand, between this green and red candle, see it, this candle made a high of 320 almost. I'm reading the data here, and then you do see a fall. So from 320 it comes down to 139, 140. Okay, almost, you can analyze what's happening here. So there has been some sort of selling here. Definitely it's the top also, there would be some selling inside this box, and that is why price is reacting as well. But there is no proper structure here. Let's go on quarterly and see. Yes, we do see a proper quarterly supply zone here, like, origin kind of thing. This is where, but see, once price goes here, you see a reaction. Okay, and then price starts going deeper again after hitting, understand, after hitting a powerful higher time frame supply zone. Why after hitting price is making green candles? Because price is not recognizing the supply zone as a powerful supply zone. Okay, so this is consolidation that is happening inside yearly and half yearly supply zone. Okay, this is consolidation that is happening inside yearly and half yearly supply zone. Now let's go down on monthly. On monthly there is a clear cut structure here, supply zone, and this is the fall that has happened here. Okay, let me turn on the drawings, you will have a better understanding. So this is your monthly supply zone, and price goes in, boom, one. So this, look at the bottom, in June 2024 price has gone inside this origin kind of supply zone for monthly. June, July, August, September, October, November, and this is December. 7 months. This is the consolidation of 7 months. Okay, and price is not able to break this. Now, being a price action demand and supply trader, you need to understand this, that once prices hit a supply zone, that means it has collected the selling pending orders. That is why you do see a reaction. So look here, this is tested means this is weak. So tested is like this supply zone was tested in, look at the bottom, in the month of July. So this supply zone is tested, so it is weak for me. Now I will just try to move this box here. Now understand what is happening here. So this is a very poor supply, but that is also stopping. Why? Because we have some structure on weekly. Okay, I'll go down on weekly and show you that as well. But now price has formed. Look here, and let me hide the drawings. Look here what is happening. Always check the data. Demand zone being on monthly, every single monthly demand zone is being respected. One, two, three. Currently it is in the fourth demand zone, and price is continuously trying to go deeper inside that yearly demand zone, yearly supply zone. All right. First point which I explained you was when prices hit a yearly higher time frame supply zone, which is the most powerful. Still, if you go on half yearly and monthly time frames, you see that price is still forming green candles. That means buyers are taking charge. That is why it is forming green candles. So that price is not recognizing or giving any importance to that yearly, half yearly supply zone. Now this is tested. Now I'm on monthly, and monthly says it is tested because in the month of July, and we do see a fall here and then reaction. But understand here, every single, this was also a monthly demand zone, this was also a monthly demand zone, this was also a monthly demand zone. If price is not giving you entries here, it does not mean you will force your entries inside a demand zone. It is giving you entry here in this demand zone in the month of October 2023. So if don't force trade onto yourselves. That is why I tell, don't push trades onto yourself. If you're not comfortable, do not push trades. Okay, you will not, if even if you make money by fluke, it doesn't matter. Understand that this is not your sole, sole thing, sole business. This is not the only means of earnings for you. If it is, then you can relate to me what I'm trying to tell here. But people who are just getting attracted looking at the price action or prices moving in one direction, it's not that easy. There has been a lot of hard work, so don't push trades onto yourself. Now let's get back onto the chart. So these levels never gave us the entry, but we started getting entries in this demand zone, then this demand zone, then this demand zone, and finally in this demand zone. Now understand, price again, everything is tested at the top. This is tested. I showed you in the month of July. Now this is not a proper structure. Now if we go on weekly poor structure, but it is the origin of the whole move. Very poor structure, but it is, if it was formed somewhere here in the middle here, I wouldn't have recognized it. But this is formed right at the top, so you do see a reaction. So monthly, and inside that monthly, I'm talking about this monthly structure. Inside this monthly structure, you have the origin, which is weekly. So it has stopped the price. Okay, and a lot of people who would have thought the breakout is coming here, they got trapped here. Now everything at the top is tested. New structures are also tested. Look at this, poor structure, tested means this wick has tested this, and this wick has tested all this. Now what is happening here is trend is up. Okay, let's turn on the drawings now. So trend is up from quarterly till weekly, but on daily trend is sideways. Now, expectation is, this is my expectation. I'm expecting that price should break out. Price should have, if I go on daily, now on weekly, everything is tested. Even new supplies which are being formed. See, price might stop here. I'm not talking about earning. I'm trying to explain you the whole price action. Price might stop here for some time because you have a powerful, like good, very good supply zone on daily time frame as well. Okay, this is weekly, and then if I go on daily, there is a supply zone right here as well. So yeah, on 300, you might see, some sort of retracement, or price should be halted here. I'm marking it right away. Okay, this is where price can halt. I'll mark it as daily supply zone, okay, which is inside your weekly supply zone. So you might see some, stoppage. Stoppage means it can come here and then here and then here. It can dance, but there is no guarantee price will dance. Why? Because price is moving from half yearly. Remember, I told you in the beginning, price is actually reacting from this demand zone, half yearly, and then poor structure in on quarterly, but then every single monthly demand zone is being respected. Okay, and that is why there is a red trend line here. It would be better on weekly, clear cut trend line here. And I don't just draw trend line on the basis of wicks and candles, candle body. It needs to test my demand, simple as that. And now here there is a supply zone, which is there is no supply zone which is not tested. Everything is tested, so everything is um, weak at the top. Now if I'm going on daily, I'm trying to connect all these and see, you should have had a breakout here itself, trust me here. But the only problem was this supply zone, so it was 50-50 game. But again, you do see a fall, and I posted that I'm waiting for 275 levels yesterday, and then I it gave me an entry today. All right, on daily there is no proper demand zone structure, but on weekly I do see there is a demand zone structure here. And I feel that there has been enough consolidation here. Okay, and now price should break. It should go all time high. But if it doesn't go, it doesn't go. You cannot force. But this is my trade. This is my understanding of Fedex. I have traded Fedex before also, but I feel like it should go up. But it might, see, I'm not talking about earnings. Yes, we do have earnings tomorrow after market. I'm not talking about earnings. I do not trade news. I do not trade news again and again. I always say that I don't trade news. So I'm not trading for earnings. I'm telling you, it can stop here, it can dance, and then if it breaks it, which I'm expecting, it should break it right away. But because we, if it beats the earnings or it doesn't beat the earning, it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is that there is a supply zone that is sitting here which looks good. And if it goes here, yeah, people should book profit. Definitely there is selling here, but price is reacting from a half yearly demand zone. Okay, price is actually reacting from here. You cannot avoid that. You cannot avoid that. Price is actually reacting from here, and everything at the top is super tested. Tested means everything is weak. So I'm expecting price should go all time high very very soon, probably tomorrow, who knows. But yeah, I am long here at 275s. If you did like the analysis, that's pretty much it. If you did like the analysis, please support me, please follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me. This is that. Yeah, that's why I've written. Don't forget to follow the Chartist. Don't forget to follow me here. And I'm also there on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account. You can follow me here as well. I am trying to break down the price action in the best possible way out there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Trade safely, wisely. Do not rush into a trade. If it goes against me, I know how to take the stop losses. I don't really mind, because I'm not after money. I'm not after anything else. I'm just, this is my passion. I'm telling you, this is my passion, and I love doing what I do. So I try to find the best trades out there, and I'm not a breakout trader. I'm a price action trader. Okay, it should break. If it doesn't, it will come down here. Simple as that. So who cares? Bull pick will not fail. Okay, that does not mean that bull pick has failed. All right. Trade safely, wisely, and don't forget to follow me, the Chartist. Take care. Have a wonderful night. Bye bye.